This tutorial shows you how to access encryption settings and manage your secure conversations. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom left corner. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. At this point, tap on Privacy and Safety from the Settings options. In the next step, scroll down to the Security section. Following this, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Once done, tap on Manage Storage to access encryption storage settings. From here, tap on More options to view additional settings. At this stage, toggle on Auto-Sync to automatically back up your encrypted messages. After this, if you forgot your encryption PIN, tap Reset PIN to create a new one. Once completed, follow the on-screen instructions to verify and set a new PIN. Finally, your encryption settings are now configured and your secure messages are properly managed. And that's it! If this encryption management guide helped you secure your Messenger conversations, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!